In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on. Wait for available devices to show and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you need to tap on over here on this gear next to your device. Hit Forget at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!